So yeah, I tried to give this Xsmartlife wireless security system a try for the past 2 weeks or so, and on and off, and I have a lot of problem with it. And today I want to quickly review for you guys this device. So first of all, this is the device, as I showed previously. In the back here you have some instruction. So here are the steps. First, we download the app. This works perfectly fine. Get the device, we can add it back in the network, which I have. So here's the app. The app is called Xlife. I download like this. And all you have to do is just click on the add button here, and then you can scan in the barcode. Of course the app is in Chinese most of the time, but certain things are in English. So for example, in the back here there's a barcode for this device. I'm going to go ahead and scan it in. There you go. And when you do that, it will ask you if you want to add the device or not. It says add device access Wi-Fi. If it did not connect to the network, connect button now, otherwise you can click skip. So it says it's able to add a device. I'm going to plug this in now, uses the power for it. And every time you plug it in, that noise come up really loud. I'll just cover the whole real quick now. So it take a second here or so. And on the thing here, it say that you are supposed to long press the Xsmartlife logo right here until the white light come on, stop, and click connect. So we're going to click connect right now. And it asks me to enter my wireless information, which I'm going to do. You can see here. I will try to connect, and it say it might take up to 60 seconds, and during this process it never connect. I think one time it connected, and then I checked the device, it actually never show up on the list. So I keep trying this a few different times, and I could never get this to work. So this is what I get every time: connection failed, make sure the Wi-Fi password is correct. Well, it is. I have a 2.4 GHz router, and I enter my password correctly, but this happens every time, so I can never get it to connect. So this guy here is not really connecting to my network. So that's the instruction on the back of the box. Here you have a small little user menu, and this user menu show you how to do it properly. I mean, I could be using this wrong, but according to the instruction I have followed everything, and I try a few different ways to do it, and in the end I never was successfully able to connect to this guy. So that's really problem number one. So just make it kind of useless. You can't connect to the app, so you can't really look at a notification or anything like that. Other than that, there are some other things that I want to point out here. So in here, there's a little diagram there, as you can see, and they tell you basically for the alarm, what kind of indication, what does it mean, and how you turn this function on. So in order to set certain function, you have to hold out this button here, which is a touch sensitive button. That little screen there will come on as green or red like that, and you're supposed to let go when the correct color is corresponding to the function you want, which is really confusing to use this, guys. So I can tell you right now, it's flashing green, which means it's currently disarmed. And according to this, these are different status here. You can basically hold down and try to get it to flashing red like this. So hold down until the red light come on, and then you let go, and now it's in arming mode. So the alarm is ready, and supposedly during this time, if it detects motion or anything crazy, it will go off like crazy. And you can use this little card here to disable it, but I'm unable to do that. You're supposed to press this button once and it will disable it. This is not an RF tag, it's actually just a card. So you're supposed to do that to disable it. But the device is really confusing to use, and it never connected to my phone, so I have a hard time using this guy. So look here, after many attempts, it actually is connected. The white light there actually let you know that it's connected to the network, and I can see it here. So here is the best that this thing can do. So if you go back here, the main menu here, you have these different options here. I don't know what these predominant all these other things for, but they pretty much use. You hit secure right here, you will see your device. It keeps showing it's off. I have to turn it on here, and if I turn it on, all that does is just kind of let me see that device. And I can click it here, and I can see right now the temperature, and look like it's arming itself or something. It shows you the current temperature, which is in Celsius, and of course that's not good for US people because we can't change that, but that's basically what you got. You got an alarm now, and then the device is supposed to work, but really I don't understand how this thing's supposed to work. So I would not recommend getting this device. It's called the Xsmartlife until they improve the way to use it, and until they improve fix the app so that it actually connect. So yeah, that is a quick little review. You have any question, let me know in the comment below. And as always, stay tuned for future review. Thank you.